Unstill in 60 seconds. Episode 3. Keyframes. A keyframe is a snapshot of the camera, its position, zoom, rotation and 3D tilt at a single moment in time. Place a few of them, and the camera glides smoothly between them. To add a keyframe, click anywhere on your photo. A numbered orange dot appears, and the right panel populates with the camera state. To select an existing keyframe, click its dot. The properties, position, zoom, rotation, load on the right. Drag a dot to move the keyframe. The Bezier curve follows in real time, so you can shape the path visually. Need a point between two existing ones? Right-click on the curve. A context menu offers Insert Point on Path. The new keyframe slots in chronologically. To delete, select the keyframe, then click the red Delete Keyframe button, or just hit the Delete key. Each keyframe has its own zoom slider. Drag it to push in or pull back, and the preview updates instantly. Same for rotation, from -180 to +180 degrees, for a subtle tilt or a full barrel roll. Try it yourself at unstill.photo. Subscribe for more. Next episode, the timeline.